Hello there. Today we're looking at how do you feel? And we've got some emojis to show how we feel. Happy, sad, angry. And we're going to use the verb be to make a sentence. Here we go. I am happy. I am happy. You are happy. We can say you are sad, you are angry. Those are the three emotions we're looking at. We're also looking at verb of be. I am, you are. Question: how do you feel? How do you feel? I am happy. How do you feel? You are sad. You are angry. Let's look at the third person. So this is first person. This is second person. That's you. Third person, it's for the boy or the girl away from us. We'll say he is. He is sad. He is sad. Or she is angry. Maybe he's sad, she is angry. That's third person. We can also have it. It is. If it's a dog maybe, or a cat, or a bird. It is happy. It is sad. It is angry. Arr, it's barking a lot. So that's third person. Plural, I'm going to rub our question off, and I'm going to ask that question soon. Plural, they are. If we're talking about the third person, we could say the girl and boy. The girl and boy are sad. As a group, they are sad. If it includes you, we're still plural. If you are part of a group, you plus two others, including you, we. We are happy. We are happy. So today we've looked at three emotions: happy, sad, and angry. Three emotions, and we've also looked at the verb be using first person, second person, third person, and we've also looked at plural form using present simple sentences. I am happy. You are sad. He is happy. She is angry. It is sad. Then plural, they are happy. We are sad. And we've looked at a question. How are you today? How do you feel? Same question, same answer. How are you today? How do you feel? I am. You are. If we're looking at third person, how do they feel? How does he feel? So we change the pronoun. Okay? Have a go working with question and answer using this format, and let me know how you do. Thank you so much for watching today. If you do find this interesting, give it a like, and I'd love to hear your comments. Bye bye for now.